Alright guys, this is my first video on this build. This is a Monster Moto 212 and I bought it. The guy already chopped the frame and the back seat part. He already chopped it to lower it, so I didn't do anything with the rear. The motor is a Tillotson 212 like the rest of my builds, and I just got done fabbing up some dual exhaust for it coming out the side. Pretty cool, I guess. The front wheel I just ordered, it's a 12-inch. I got a tire on the way, so it's not knobby. It'll be more of a street style, like the rear Sun F tire. And the front headlight, that was an Amazon purchase. And I modified the brackets. To fit the headlight in the original holes. The handlebars, they were on eBay. They're about like 40 bucks or so. And then Amazon, I think I got the risers from. And originally these are a one bolt on the shocks, the tower. So I drilled new holes. I just got to cut the bolts shorter, obviously. The throttle, it's like the rest of the ones I use. Has that bearing on it and the same top plate. And I welded a little battery tray. And then I'll put like a battery tender on there while I'm not using it to keep it charged. And then that just obviously unscrews to hold it on there. Just welded it on the frame. And then I used a tie down off a car battery. I just cut it to length. And that's the modification so far. I'll make another video of the progress. Thanks for watching.